Property checklist, your due diligence verification. Found your dream property? Hold up, before you buy, you need to do due diligence. Land buyers must verify ownership by checking the certificate of title and reviewing the records in the registry of deeds to avoid fraudulent transactions. It's basically checking if the property is legit. No hidden issues, no future complications. Step 1. Make sure the title is clean. Get a certified true copy from the registry of deeds. Step 2. Check if the property has debts, mortgages, or disputes attached. No one wants a property with baggage. Step 3. Make sure the lot size, location, and boundaries match what's on the title. This is reflected in the tax declaration. Lastly, Step 4. Ask for the latest real property tax receipts and permits. No one paid taxes, no future headaches. The Supreme Court voided titles of a couple who failed to do due diligence. They bought land from someone who got their title through fraud. No checking means no protection. If you skip the legal steps, you might end up owning nothing.